What if your car's life is being cut short every single day, without you even knowing? Not by accidents, not by bad luck, but by the tiny daily habits you ignore. The ones silently eating away at your engine, your tires, and your wallet. Here's the shocking truth. Most cars don't die because they're old. They die because their owners never learned the simple routines that keep a car alive. Imagine this: 2 cars, built the same year, same model. One breaks down forever at 150,000 miles. The other is still running strong past 250,000 miles. The difference? It's not magic. It's habits. Because there are 9 powerful habits, simple, daily actions, that can silently add 100,000 extra miles to any car. Most drivers never hear about them. Mechanics won't tell you. But today, you're going to discover them all. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your car last longer, run smoother, and save thousands of dollars you would have thrown away on repairs. Let's begin. 1. Warm-up ritual. Every engine has a secret. It hates to be rushed. When you start your car and instantly hit the road, the oil inside hasn't fully circulated yet. The engine is still cold. The parts are stiff. And every second of rough movement begins to shave life off the machine. This is why so many engines fail far earlier than they should. But here's the solution. Give your car just 30 to 60 seconds every morning. That short pause allows the oil to coat every moving part, reducing friction and saving years of wear. One small habit, massive impact. But that's only the first daily habit. What you put into your car matters even more. 2. Quality fuel choice. Your car runs on fuel, but not all fuel is the same. Cheap gasoline might save you a few cents at the pump, but over time it begins to clog your fuel injectors, coating them with dirt and residue. This doesn't just lower performance, it forces your engine to work harder, burning more fuel and wearing down parts faster. On the other hand, top-tier or premium gasoline contains detergents that keep your injectors clean and your combustion efficient. It's like feeding your car clean air instead of smoke. Spending a little more at the pump today could save you thousands in repairs tomorrow. But fuel isn't the only fluid your car depends on. 3. Fluid checks. Every car is built on lifelines, and they flow through its fluids. A quick daily glance under the hood can save you from disasters that cost thousands. Check your engine oil. If it's low or dirty, your engine is at risk. Look at the coolant level, because overheating can kill an engine in minutes. Don't forget windshield washer fluid. It seems small, but visibility on the road can mean life or death. These checks take less than a minute, but they catch leaks and problems before they turn into breakdowns. It's the kind of habit that turns car owners into protectors. And speaking of checking, your tires tell you more than you think. 4. Tire awareness. Your car rests on just 4 points of contact. Its tires. If those fail, nothing else matters. A simple daily habit of checking tire pressure and doing a quick visual scan can mean the difference between a smooth drive and a sudden blowout. Underinflated tires don't just waste fuel, they strain the suspension and wear down unevenly. Overinflated tires reduce grip and can burst under pressure. Even a glance at cracks, nails, or bulges can save you from being stranded on the side of the road. Caring for your tires doesn't just extend their life, it protects your entire car. But what about the way you actually drive every day? 5. Gentle acceleration and braking. How you drive every day decides how long your car survives. Aggressive driving, hard acceleration, sudden braking, constant speeding doesn't just waste fuel. It shaves years off your transmission, burns out your brakes, and stresses every moving part of the engine. But smooth driving does the opposite. Gentle acceleration and steady braking reduce wear and tear, making it the cheapest form of maintenance you'll ever practice. If you want more hidden ways to save thousands and keep your car running longer, make sure you subscribe, because the next habit might be the one saving your engine right now. Because what you clean or don't clean every day makes a bigger difference than you think. 6. Interior and exterior cleanliness. A car doesn't just age on the inside, it ages on the outside too. Dirt, road salt, and debris slowly eat away at your car's body and electrical connections. They corrode the metal, weaken the paint, and quietly lower your car's value long before the engine ever fails. But a simple daily wipe down or quick rinse can stop that damage before it begins. It keeps the paint strong, the body clean, and the wiring safe from corrosion. Clean cars don't just look good, they last longer. It's one of the most overlooked habits that silently saves you thousands. And then comes the habit most drivers ignore until it's too late. 7. Listening for unusual sounds. Your car speaks, just not in words. Every rattle, squeak, or grinding noise is an early warning sign. A loose belt, a failing brake pad, or a worn bearing often announces itself long before it fails. Most drivers drown it out with music or ignore it until it's too late. But a few seconds of daily awareness, listening as you start, accelerate, and stop, can prevent sudden breakdowns and dangerous failures. The habit of hearing your car doesn't cost a cent, but it can save you from repairs that cost thousands. But even silence has its dangers, especially when it comes to electricity. 8. Light and battery check. Sometimes the smallest details decide whether your car makes it home or leaves you stranded. A quick daily glance at your headlights and brake lights ensures you're visible and safe on the road. Ignoring them risks not only accidents, but expensive tickets. And then there's the battery. A fading dashboard light or a slow crank when starting is your car begging for attention. Catching these early saves you from the nightmare of a dead battery when you least expect it. It's a simple 30-second habit that prevents sudden failures. And finally, the habit that ties everything together. 9. Parking habits. Even when your car is standing still, it's either being protected or slowly destroyed. Parking in the shade shields your paint and interior from the sun that cracks, fades, and weakens them over time. Choosing a safe spot prevents damage from careless drivers and accidents. And avoiding steep or uneven surfaces protects your transmission and keeps your tires wearing evenly. It's a habit so simple that most drivers ignore it, yet it quietly adds years of life to any car. Because the truth is, where you park every day matters just as much as how you drive. So what's the big picture behind these small actions? Here's the truth. Most cars don't die because of one dramatic failure. They die slowly from daily neglect. It's not the crash that ends them. It's the small things. The cold starts without warm-ups, the skipped fluid checks, the ignored sounds that quietly eat away at their life. But here's the twist. Tiny, consistent habits are stronger than any repair shop. A few seconds each day can add more than 100,000 extra miles to your car. That's the difference between a car breaking down at 150,000 miles and one that keeps driving smoothly past 250,000 miles. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's entirely in your control. Every daily habit is a vote for your car's future. Do them, and your vehicle becomes nearly unbreakable. Ignore them, and even the best car will collapse too soon. This is why these 9 daily habits matter more than any expensive repair. In the end, it's the small actions that create the biggest savings. Every daily habit is a shield, protecting your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind. Now you know how to outsmart repairs and stretch your car's life far beyond what most drivers ever imagine. So tell me, which of these habits do you already follow, and which one are you going to start today? And don't forget, Subscribe now for more hidden secrets to make your car last longer, run smoother, and save you thousands.